So we get the Crayola experience. And Eleanor is like sleeping right here. She's our little sleepyhead. I don't know why she's sleeping. She's a sleepyhead. We're going to have lots of fun. So you're not going to want to miss it. We finally made it to Crayola Experience or whatever. And y'all might want to see some pictures of it because Crayola Experience is really fun. So let's just do it.
I know, they switched. They've got new ones. What do we have this month?
It's gonna start melting. Whoa! It has to be cold because that's how it's gonna dry. And then if it's hot, that's how it's gonna melt. Did that make it perfect? I think it makes it perfect. Okay.
And then slide it down. No.
Oh. Wait, that makes it perfect. Yay! It's perfect? Chick-fil-A! Chick-fil-A! We are loyal customers to Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A gives us whatever we want. Chick-fil-A never messes up our orders.
That is true.
So we're going to my orthodontist appointment, and a month ago they put spacers in my mouth, and if it works, my orthodontist is only going to wire my top row of teeth, and if it doesn't work, he has to wire my mouth shut, and then I won't be able to talk as well as I do. And the Thatcher over here is perfectly fine but has cavities. No, I don't. I saw one today. This is hard to eat and drink. Bucky's, and we went to our orthodontist so we could get our teeth fixed. But after we got some Bucky's, and Eleanor got a little icy right here, and I got some Dr. Pepper in my icy. called sandwich.